What's up, everybody? Rel here from E&J Capital. Obviously, your unlicensed financial educator. So today, we're gonna give you 3 option strategies that everybody should know, but I don't know if I'm gonna give it to you guys because it could potentially make you some money. I'll only give you this if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But since I'm a nice guy, I'm gonna show you anyway. But these strategies only help if you know the expected price move, which we did a video on yesterday. Check it out. You're appreciated. So, 3 strategies you monkeys must know. First one is a call spread. How do you make a call spread? Buy a call, sell a call. You want to sell a call at a higher strike so you get more money. It's also capped, where you can't go any higher than what you sold it for. It's also on the same expiration date as well. Limited reward, risk equals the cost of the premium. It's also cheaper than buying a regular call because you are getting a credit received directly put into your account. Next one, you can reverse this strategy. It would be a put. Basically the same thing, buy a put, sell a put.
Lower strike.
Lower strike. Oh, so I had to get that one out. Next strategy is a married put. A married put is, say you're long 100 shares of Apple and you're uncertain about maybe an earnings date and you're scared, so you decide to buy puts to protect you on your shares. Now, read it. In the worst case, it doesn't drop. You lose the premium what you put for the puts, but that's okay. You want to look at a married put as an insurance policy, basically. Think of it like that. Is there married calls? No, there is, right? What's the reverse? There's always a reverse. Well, we don't even need to get into that. You know what? If you're scared, buy puts. If you're 100 shares on Apple, Microsoft, just buy puts, okay? Next one is a straddler. Straddle. How do you do this? Oh, I didn't even tell them how to do this. So you basically, I did. I mean, I'm so cold right now because we're outside in the streets of Alaska and it's freezing out here. So straddle right here.
We do this for them.
We do this for y'all, okay? Idiots. How to do a straddle. First of all, why do you want to do a straddle? Because you're expecting high volatility for the price move. That's why people buy a straddle. How do you make the straddle? Buy a call, buy a put. The worst case scenario, you don't want to stay in the middle because then you're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose your premium, what you paid. So you don't want to go on the right or left side, buy a put side. Tips. What you don't want to do is stay flat, like I just said, because you're losing your money. You want high volatility. You know what? I don't even need this. You need high volatility to start a straddle. You're gonna want maybe, perfect example, an earnings play. It would be a gamble. You can't lose, but you got like a 50-50 chance you're gonna make money. And if you don't, there's strategies that where everything stays in the middle, you can still make money. Strangle.
No, it's not reverse. It's just to tweak it a little.
To tweak it. To give you those ass shots for your girl that she always wanted. That's what it's basically it is. It's what is it? Same expiration, different strike prices. Same for this. I didn't even show them. Guys, this is a neutral strategy, by the way. Like I said, starts with a buy call, put, same expiration, same date, strike, makes cash in a volatile market. You want it to go either down or up. You're hoping for a big price movement, okay? That's what you want. Rel here, Rel out. I just gave you some basic strategies on what you guys can do in options trading. Like I said, we just made another option basic video on longs or short. If you guys don't know what long is, long means ownership, short means selling something you don't own. You're getting the Gucci, feet up to the G-Dub. I'm Rel, your unlicensed financial educator. It kind of makes me sound like a scammer, which I am. And I'm out. Much love.